In this video, I'm going to show you how to link a QR code to an audio description using Canva. First, you're going to go to canva.com and then click Create a Design. In here, you're going to search for Worksheet and select Worksheet, which is really just 8.5 by 11 page. Then this will pop up. It will automatically go to Templates. And then I'm going to search for a template that I would like. I am searching for a gingerbread man because I want the students to describe how to make a gingerbread man. So I see this template here. I'll go ahead and choose that one. First, you're going to edit the template as you would like it. So I will leave the title gingerbread man, but instead of the instructions of decorating a gingerbread man, I'm going to edit it to say, please click the QR code below to hear how to make gingerbread man cookies. Stretch this out because I just want one line of text and then center it with my picture. There we go. All right, so that is going to be the basis of the design that I would like. You can add colors, more pictures, whatever you would like to this. I'm going to go with a simple version here. Now that I have my picture, I'm going to record audio. To record audio, I'm going to click on Share. And then down here, I'm going to click Present and Record. When this pops up, you're going to click the Go to Recording Studio purple button. And it'll pop up and ask you to set up your camera and microphone. If you want to have the picture of the person doing the recording, you can click the camera. I don't want a video, I just want the audio, so I'm going to click No Camera. And then I have my default microphone chosen, and as you can see from this blue line here, it is picking up my voice. If I wanted to choose a different microphone, I would click on the downward arrow to get the menu to choose a different one, but this is the one that I want. So I'm just going to click Start Recording. It'll count down. This is how you make a gingerbread man. Step 1, you do this. Step 2, you do that. And step 3, you end with doing this. I'm going to click End Recording. It's uploading the recording that I did. Okay, it is finished making my recording. So I'm going to click Save and Exit. And just click out of there. Now that I've saved the audio that I want, I'm going to go over to the left-hand menu and click Uploads. And then I'm going to choose Audio. And then this is the recording that I just made. So I'm going to click that. This is how you make a gingerbread man. Okay, so there is my audio. I can see that it's connected down here in the bottom left corner. I'm going to click this arrow just to close that to have more room. So now I have my picture. I have my audio. Now I need to add the QR code. So over here on the left-hand menu again, I'm going to scroll down and then click QR code. It pops up and asks you what the URL, the link that you want the QR code to go to. I'm going to link it back to this page. So I'm going to go over to the share, click that, and then click the view only link. And then copy that link. And then I'm going to paste that link here as the URL that the QR code will take me to. So after I have the link, I click Generate QR Code, and it pops into my design. I'm going to drag it by the corner to make it smaller because I want it to fit inside my gingerbread man. Now that I have my design, my audio, and my QR code, I think that I am finished, so I'm going to see what it all looks like together. To do that, I'm going to push the play button up here at the top right. This is how you make a gingerbread man. Step 1. Oh, it looks like my audio was cut off. So I'm going to close this preview, go back here. The edit timing is on the left. You're going to click that. That was 5 seconds. I think I'm just going to try 15 seconds and see where that gets me. Click out of there, push play. This is how you make a gingerbread man. Step 1, you do this. Step 2, you do that. And step 3, you end with doing this. I'm going to click. Almost got it. Close. I'm going to edit one more time and try 13 seconds. Click out of there and watch the preview one more time. This is how you make a gingerbread man. Step 1, you do this. Step 2, you do that. And step 3, you end with doing this. All right, my play symbol came back up, so that means that my recording is done. So I'm going to close this preview, and I have it how I want it now. So I'm going to go over here to share. Then I'm going to download this. And I do not want the video. I want to print this. So I'm going to make it the PDF standard and then download. And now, after that's finished, I can simply upload that to wherever I want to, or I can print it out. It's up to you.